Hello guys, welcome back. Today we'll show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues on your INFINIX Note 30 VIP. First, go and turn Bluetooth off and on. Do that by going into Settings, then Bluetooth. As you can see, it's enabled, so disable it and enable it again for a quick restart. Next, unpair and repair your device. Click the information icon and select Forget, then click Forget Device. I'm using the latest AirPods 3 Pros, so there's no button. I just double tap the front case to pair them. Double tap the front case, then click this button so they pop up. Enter pairing mode on your own headphones, then click Pair twice. They should connect any second now. If it's still not working properly, scroll down to System, tap System Update and click Online Update. If your software isn't up to date, I recommend updating it because that can fix glitches like these. That's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.